Thanks to a combination of innovative hardware and software, the Realme 9 Pro Plus gives you the best photography experience, yet low light photography won't be exclusive to flagship phones anymore. You can capture the story of every moment with Realme 9 Pro Plus, no matter how bright or dark the environment is with Realme 9 Pro Plus. And yes, that's where the capture the light slogan comes from. Now, I will hand over the stage to JJ.
Capture the light. With that in mind, today I'm excited to introduce a new imaging technology on the main camera. We are calling it ProLight Imaging Technology. The goal is to let you capture beautiful photos in any situation. ProLight imaging technology achieves this by intelligently utilizing the large imaging sensor, pairing it with advanced digital noise reduction algorithms and dual stabilization system. The 9 Pro Plus camera system also comes with a 119-degree super wide camera to enable you to be more creative by capturing more. And with a 4cm micro camera, you can go in real close and capture something different that otherwise be missed by our naked eyes. In short, Realme 9 Pro Plus features the most advanced flagship camera system in the history of Realme number series. Let's take a few moments to talk about the selfie camera. This time around on 9 Pro Plus, we have supercharged our 16-megapixel selfie camera with Clear Fusion algorithm. With Clear Fusion, you can capture sharp and clear selfies no matter the lighting conditions. Clear Fusion uses AI algorithm to intelligently clean up image noise and sharpen the overall image so that your selfies are instantaneously shareable. This is the new 9 Pro Plus camera system. Powered by our own ProLight imaging technology, we can now get incredible camera performance even in the most challenging lighting conditions. Color, material, and finish are a big part of what defines product design for us. Design is one of the first things you notice and can evoke an emotional response every time you use the phone. Inspired by sunrise, we call this light shift design. When exposed to sunlight, Realme 9 Pro Plus magically changes color from light blue to red, just like the sky from dusk to dawn. Taking it back to indoors, it changes back to blue. It's like having two colors on one phone, and sleek metal camera rings. Because the 9 Pro Plus is extremely thin at just 7.99mm, it feels comfortable to hold and feels light in the hand. For the 9 Pro Plus, we've included a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. For the gamers out there, touch sampling rate is especially important. This is why we've increased the touch sampling rate to 360 Hz for a responsive gaming experience. The display is as smart as it is beautiful. The 90 Hz display intelligently adapts in refresh rate between 60 Hz and 90 Hz depending on what's on the screen. This time around, we have also pushed the display technology further by including an in-display fingerprint sensor for faster, more natural unlocking. And we have doubled down on the technology by integrating a heart rate monitor, allowing you to check your heart rate anytime, anywhere. 9 Pro Plus is not just visually stunning, you'll also love how it sounds. Perfect for video calls or enjoying music by the pool, our dual stereo speakers are powered by Dolby Atmos for a more stunning and richer sound. And we are all about giving you more. So the 9 Pro Plus comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Just in case you are wondering, no additional adapters required. The Realme 9 Pro Plus is also high-res certified, so you can enjoy music just as the artist intended it to be heard. We have also paid additional details into areas you might never see, but you can certainly feel. For 9 Pro Plus, we've improved the haptic with X-axis linear motor. That means now we can get a stronger, more responsive feedback. All in all, the restrained elegance of Realme 9 Pro Plus, combining with a 90Hz Super AMOLED display and dual stereo speakers, reimagine what smartphone design could be. We are sure you will love how 9 Pro Plus looks and sounds. The processor powering the Realme 9 Pro Plus is the amazing Dimensity 920 5G from MediaTek. At its foundation, the Dimensity 920 enables flagship-level performance using 6nm technology with an octa-core setup. Thanks to the two A78 Prime cores and the Mali G68 GPU, 9 Pro Plus glides through demanding apps smoothly and efficiently. This cooling system features a 5-layer cooling structure with industry-leading vapor chamber size, a massive 4,500 mAh battery into its super thin body, giving you a full day use on a single charge. But just in case you do need to top up, we got you covered with our signature 60-watt super dart charging, giving you 50% charge in just 15 minutes. 9 Pro Plus is supercharged with dynamic RAM expansion technology, adding an additional 5 GB of virtual RAM. 9 Pro Plus also supports Wi-Fi 6. Our engineering teams at Realme are committed to another 2 years of major Android OS updates. We have packed 9 Pro Plus with class-leading 5G processor, supercharged with vapor chamber cooling system and dynamic RAM expansion for fluid experience. That's the all-new Realme 9 Pro Plus. There are also a lot of new additions to this generation. So much we could hardly fit it all on this one screen. So this is the Realme 9 Pro. It has everything you expect from the Realme number series and more. The Realme 9 Pro is loaded with the latest Snapdragon 695 5G processor, an innovative light shift design, and a 120Hz ultra-smooth display with adaptive refresh rate.
Here's the part you have been waiting for, the big price reveal of the 9 Pro Plus and 9 Pro. Capture the light with the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G, which features the powerful Dimensity 920 5G processor, 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 OIS camera, massifying OIS technology, 60-watt super dart charge, and 90Hz Super AMOLED display with vapor chamber cooling system and light shift designs. Again, the feature which is the first time from the house of Realme. The Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G comes in the 3 stunning colors: Sunrise Blue, Aurora Green, and Midnight Black. It's available in 3 variants with 6GB, 128GB, 8GB, 128GB, and 8GB, 256GB. 6GB, 128GB would be priced at Rs 24,999, wherein 8GB, 128GB would be priced at Rs 26,999. 8GB, 256GB would be priced at Rs 28,999. First sale will begin on 21st of February, 12 noon onwards, across realme.com, flipkart.com, and the stores nearby you. With the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program, buyers will have to pay just 70% of the total cost and avail bank offers on the balance amount, making it further more affordable. With the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program, the 6GB 128GB variant will be priced at Rs 17,499 only. 8GB 128GB would be priced at Rs 18,899 only. And 8GB 256GB would be priced at Rs 20,299 only. Now let's take a look at the Realme 9 Pro 5G, which sets a new yardstick with the Snapdragon 695 5G processor, 120Hz ultra smooth display, 64 megapixel nightscape camera, and a 5000 mAh massive battery with light shift design and the Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12. Realme 9 Pro 5G comes in 3 color combinations of Sunrise Blue, Aurora Green, and Midnight Black. It's available in 2 variants, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. 6GB plus 128GB variant will be available at an introductory price offer of Rs 17,999 only, and 8GB 128GB variant will be available at Rs 20,999 only. And the first sale begins on 23rd of February, 12 noon onwards, across all platforms, realme.com, flipkart.com, and the stores nearby you.